Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin, and today is Monday, first day of market open, and today was a bloodbath. But we kind of expected this, especially with Wednesday, the Fed speaking. We know every time Jerome Powell speaks, things go crazy. On top of the fact that we got that negative CPI inflation data on last week. So we already know that right now we are definitely due for some red pressure. And actually today we hit some new lows for many of our major indexes. But before we get too far into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. Nothing but negativity going on in the markets right now, and I think it is going to get worse. I hate to say it, I think it is going to get worse. So we got to make sure we do our due diligence, make sure we're investing in good companies that we like, good companies that are going to be profitable in the future. If they've been profitable this long and they continue to develop and build out new things, it is possibly a good company. Some of my favorites as far as stocks, you guys know VTI, Apple, and we got into some financials this year, but even financials are not surviving this thing, especially with the fears of a recession on the rise. So let's talk about it, right? We know last week Friday we got the CPI inflation data. It came in hot and heavy, killing the market, pushing us down and further down. We know that this Wednesday, tomorrow the Fed meet. Wednesday, we know that the Fed actually gonna give us the meeting notes, and they're gonna speak to us, and it's probably going to be bad, right? We know every time they speak, it's about interest rate hikes. We know that on the last interest rate hike, they pretty much told us, hey, we're gonna try and hang around at 50 basis points. We think things are coming down. We think we got it under control, and boom, you get these new numbers: 8.6 CPI inflation numbers, meaning we have absolutely nothing under control. So we're losing money. And this is actually what I believe is going to push us further into that recession, because I think the Fed may become a little too aggressive, and people are going to be trading this week and probably the next couple weeks based on fear. Just, hey, what's going to happen? What are we going to get? What are they going to do? All the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, as you guys know, of course, is what pushes the market down. Our fear index has even gone crazy for this week. And today, we know we've hit a bear market, but today we have settled into the bear territory. Let's take a look at it. So we know the Dow came down 2.79% today. S&P 500 came down 3.88%. NASDAQ down 4.68%. Russell down 4.76%. And the VIX is up 22%. That is crazy. You could have traded that probably on a call side or just bought you some shares or whatever you want to do. But I try not to touch it. But that is definitely crazy, 22% on the day. The thing that I really take note of this year to date, you guys, we are down 21.83%. And I checked the year to date because January were pretty much our highs. They're our record highs for the year. So if I go back to there, 21.83%, pretty much the same thing. So we're down 21.83% in the SPY from my highs. The NASDAQ year to date, 31%, 31.73% down. That is, man, my goodness. The Russell down 24.55%, and I think the Dow may be the only one that's still hanging in there, not touching that bear territory yet, but we're gonna see. 16.59%, another 3.5%, and it's out of there too, just like all the rest of them. So we have to be very wary, and actually it's down 17% from its highs, so another 3%. Well, you know, from now, right now, we need another 2.5%, 3.5%, but right now the markets are not looking good, you guys. It is a fearful time to be investing. However, that is why we had our wealthy word for this week, right? Perseverance. We got to push through. We are doing this thing for the long-term gains. I know it's good. I know you guys see me post pictures of how much money I made for the day trading put options. I traded put options today. I forgot to post it, but I made money today. You guys know how we do. But I'm still losing because my stocks are losing. You guys, it is so hard to balance trying to make money while watching your portfolio go down due to your long-term investments coming down. But I continue to do it. I continue to persevere. Hopefully you guys are persevering as well. Whether it's you investing in stocks, whether you're investing in real estate, whether you're investing in your business, or whether you're just investing in your own knowledge and yourself. Continue to persevere and it's going to be fine. We're not worried about what's happening right now. We're looking towards the future. So I want to just make sure you guys keep that in mind. Perseverance. Y'all make sure y'all leave some in the comments for me if you want to. And that's what I got for you, right? We know we're in an official bear market. I mean, we are in that bear territory. And you are not out of a bear market until you see 20% from the lows. We just hit a new low in every index. So, I mean, we got 20% from here, and we still won't have made all our money back if you just started investing in January. If you start investing in January, you're down, and you still won't get all your money back when we come out of this bear market. However, things should definitely be more profitable out after this thing is over than it was. And right now, I will tell you, you got to be ready to get in this thing for the long haul, because from what I've been hearing, the research I've been doing, people are saying this thing could last for quite some time. So hopefully you're ready to persevere like me. I mean, if you don't want to get into this thing, if you don't want to do what you want to do or pursue your goals this year, at least start practicing for them. Start planning for them. Start strategizing for it. I mean, a proper plan prevents poor performance, right? So we talk about all these things with our wealthy words. You guys go back and watch some of those videos and make sure you're up to date on them. So that's what I got for you guys today. The market is looking terrible. I am expecting more red days going into Wednesday because I expect the Fed to be very aggressive with the news and the numbers that we're seeing. So, hey, you guys know if you see it going red in the morning, wait the first 15 to 30 minutes, put season. If you see it going green, hey, call season. Make sure you in and out. 20% returns is what we aim for. But if you get 10% and you feel good about it, get out of there. Take your money and cut and run. Thank you guys for joining the journey to become wealthy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.